Are you hungry?
No, I just had lunch.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Are you coming tonight?
No, I have other plans.
Do you live nearby?
No, I live on the other side of town.
Can you drive?
No, I don't know how to drive.
Are you enjoying the movie?
No, it's a bit boring.
Do you play sports?
No, I'm not into sports.
Can I sit here?
No, it's taken.
Are you feeling better now?
No, still feeling unwell.
Is this your phone?
No, that's not mine.
Are you ready to go?
No, I need a few more minutes.
Can you sing?
No, I'm not good at it.
Did you enjoy the food?
No, it wasn't my taste.
Are you free tomorrow?
No, I'm busy all day.
Do you like reading books?
No, I'm not much of a reader.
Is it your first time here?
No, I come here often.
Can you call me later?
No, I might be busy.
Did you watch the game?
No, I missed it.
Are you going to work today?
No, it's my day off.
Can you cook dinner?
No, I'm too tired.
Is it too late to call?
Yes, it's past midnight.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, I'm pretty calm.
Do you like dancing?
No, I feel shy.
Is the weather nice today?
No, it's raining.
Can you come to the meeting?
No, I can't make it.
Did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
Are you available this weekend?
No, I have plans.
Can you send me the file?
No, I don't have it.
Are you happy with the results?
No, I expected better.
Do you like traveling?
No, I prefer staying home.
Can you lend me some money?
No, I'm broke right now.
Are you planning a trip?
No, not yet.
Did you finish the project?
No, I'm still working on it.
Is it your favorite color?
No, I prefer green.
Can you help me study?
No, I'm busy tonight.
Are you practicing English daily?
No, only sometimes.
Do you like spicy food?
No, it's too hot for me.
Can you open the window?
No, it's too cold outside.
Is that your favorite movie?
No, I like another one.
Did you visit your family?
No, not recently.
Can you repeat that, please?
No, I forgot what I said.
Are you watching TV now?
No, I'm reading a book.
Do you work out regularly?
No, not really.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I don't know how.
Are you scared of heights?
No, I'm fine with it.
Did you call your friend?
No, I'll call later.
Are you going to the gym today?
No, I'm skipping today.
Can you fix my computer?
No, I'm not good with tech.
Are you cooking tonight?
No, I'm ordering food.
Is it your birthday today?
No, it's next week.
Can I borrow your book?
No, I'm still reading it.
Are you feeling sleepy?
No, I'm wide awake.
Do you like singing?
No, I'm too shy.
Are you learning something new?
No, not at the moment.
Can you solve this problem?
No, it's too hard for me.
Are you going shopping later?
No, I already did.
Is it cold outside?
No, it's quite warm.
Can you teach me that dance?
No, I don't know how.
Are you going to watch the show?
No, I'm not interested.
Do you enjoy cooking?
No, it's too stressful.
Can you make a cake?
No, I'm not good at baking.
Are you having dinner now?
No, I'm not hungry yet.
Do you know that song?
No, I've never heard it.
Are you good at math?
No, it's confusing.
Can you play chess?
No, I never learned.
Are you staying home today?
No, I'm going out later.
Did you enjoy the vacation?
No, it was too short.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, it's my day off.
Can you drive me to the station?
No, I don't have a car.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I skipped it.
Are you meeting Sarah today?
No, we postponed it.
Do you like animals?
No, I am scared of them.
Can you join us for dinner?
No, I'd already eaten.
Are you feeling okay?
No, I feel sick.
Do you want some tea?
No, thank you.
Is this your first job?
No, I've worked before.
Can you stay a bit longer?
No, I have to go.
Are you ready for the test?
No, I'm nervous.
Did you lock the door?
No, I forgot.
Are you planning a vacation soon?
No, not anytime soon.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, just English.
Do you know her address?
No, I forgot it.
Are you staying at a hotel?
No, at a friend's place.
Can you make it to the party?
No, I'm not feeling well.
Are you coming with us?
No, I'll stay home.
Did you write the report?
No, I forgot about it.
Are you in a hurry?
No, I have time.
Can you hear me clearly?
No, it's a bit noisy.
Do you have a pen?
No, I forgot mine.
Are you coming for lunch?
No, I brought my own.
Did you get my message?
No, I didn't see it.
Are you doing anything tonight?
No, I'm free.
Can you meet me at 5?
No, I'll be late.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm just relaxing.
Do you remember his name?
No, it slipped my mind.
Can you keep a secret?
No, I'm not good at keeping secrets.
Are you planning to move?
No, I'll stay here.
Did you water the plants?
No, not right now.
Are you going to cook tonight?
No, I'm going out with them for dinner.
Are you going to the concert?
No, I couldn't get any.
Are you ready to leave?
No, I need more time.
Did you find your keys?
No, I'm still looking.
Can you show me the way?
No, I'm not sure myself.
Are you happy with your job?
No, I'm looking for something else.
Do you visit your family often?
No, they live far away.
Can you speak slowly, please?
No, I'm in a hurry.
Are you going to cook tonight?
No, I'm ordering pizza.
Did you check the mail?
No, I'll do it later.
Are you taking your car?
No, I'm walking.
Do you watch movies often?
No, rarely.
Can you give me a ride?
No, my car is broken.
Are you good at cooking?
No, I usually order food.
Did you lose your phone?
No, it's in my bag.
Are you eating out tonight?
No, I'm cooking at home.
Do you work from home?
No, I go to the office.
Can you pass me the salt?
No, I don't see it.
Are you afraid of spiders?
No, not at all.
Did you pay the bill?
No, I'll do it tomorrow.
Can you tell me a story?
No, I'm not good at storytelling.
Are you moving to a new place?
No, I'm staying here.
Did you enjoy the movie?
No, it was boring.
Are you saving money?
No, I'm spending it all.
Can you work overtime today?
No, I'm planning to finish on time.
Are you attending the meeting?
No, I'm not invited.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I prefer warmth.
Can you swim?
No, I'm afraid of water.
Are you planning to visit them?
No, I'm too busy.
Did you clean your room?
No, I haven't started.
Are you comfortable there?
No, it's a bit cramped.
Can you make coffee?
No, I'm out of beans.
Are you writing a book?
No, just short stories.
Did you lock the car?
No, it's parked in the secured garage.